give no fuck. I say whatever I want. I do whatever I want.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. As you can see, counting that stacks every week, every day. We're trying to make profits. Every week we are making profits. I'm trying to do a different video style. Tell me if you like that, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every single comment. So today is the 6th of June 2024. I started scalping the $10,000 account again. Today I'm gonna take a scalp also. Like I said, I'm going for big profits, system B trades only. I have 2 scalping systems. If you want to learn how to scalp live, whatever I'm doing, I risk it with my money first. I will teach you with live trades on my account. I'll take live scalp trades and teach you. And the reason why I'm going for big trades is because I'm doing a passive income thing. Like I said, if you want to join, message me Wealth on Telegram, link in the description below. You should start with at least $90. Most of you will never really get the chance to build wealth. Most of you will never get opportunities like this. Most of you that are wasting time, that are, making excuses. If you had started when I first brought it out, you would have withdrawn at least 60 to 70% of your funds at this point by now. You can see that people have been withdrawing funds. It should pop up somewhere here. So every week we've been making multiple withdrawals. Okay, I've made today around, even today, once I started around 6 a.m. I've already made about $200 passively. Now that I'm going into the market, I can go with a more clearer mind. I'm not desperate. I'm looking for the best trade that can give me $500, $600, system B trades that will scalp $800, and all this starting with a $10,000 account. So if you had like 1,000, you would be looking for maybe $800, $80, $100 trade. So but it's a 10,000 account. I've had $1,000 profits. Hopefully today we get another $1,000 trade once, because the last time I took trades I had 2 trades and it was just a $1,000 day. Today I'm trying to take 1 trade and let's see if we can make $1,000. If not, if it goes against us, we'll hedge the account. And hedging is a strategy that I use to get out of bad trades, because you can never ever do what you can never ever make the market do what you want. So you always have to be prepared. Okay, that is what the hedge funds do, that is what the banks do. I do this live, I teach this live, I use my own funds to risk. Whatever I give to you guys, just know that I've already risked thousands of my own funds before I ever brought it to you guys. Same thing with the passive income program. With the passive income program, I put in at least $25,000 and I've made a total of about $75,000. So I've been doing it for months, okay, before I brought it to you guys. Okay, that I've withdrawn so far anyways. So if you had started when I first brought it out, in just a few weeks, less than 2 weeks, you will all be withdrawing profits for the next couple days, probably more than 60 days. Okay, every day you can be making between $3 to $120 to $150 to $200. Okay, simple and easy. So I'm just going to make this video short. I'm going to make the intro short, and let's jump into the market and see what the market has for us today, and let's see how much we can make. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. If you want to join the passive income program, message me Walt on Telegram, link in description below. And also I have a free Telegram group, VIP group also, where I give VIP signals, okay, Mondays to Fridays, and analysis. Okay, message me trial on Telegram, link in the description below also. And if you join the Wealth group, which is the passive income program, you also gain access to the free signal group. You can get free signals for 3 months to 12 months depending on what you do and the qualifications that you have. So like I said, join the free Telegram group also. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of 2024, which I'm sure we will do. And like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, click all the notification bells and click all notifications, because once I settle down properly, I'll be doing live streams every Mondays or Tuesdays where I do free signals and analysis. With that being said, let's see what the market has for us today, and we'll be right back soon. See you guys on the charts soon. guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I saw a System B sell scalp trade. So what I'm going to do is I put it on the 5 minutes. It's still loading a bit. Remember, guys, to like, share, and subscribe. This is a System B scalp. This is what I'm going to be taking while the market is consolidating. While it's still holding till the market starts moving again. I'm going to be going for big profits today. I already made withdrawals. Students have made withdrawals. They've already started receiving the withdrawals. So let me just set my take profit here. Down here. So this should give me about $1,000 trade. And if it doesn't go my way, I'll hedge it out. But I believe it's going to go my way because of the way the market is right now. It's kind of consolidating a bit. But yeah, I expect a drop in the market. I expect it to hit my take profits. And yeah, let's see what happens in the market. If you want to buy the course to learn how to do this, I will teach you with live trades. Okay, so that I'll share my screen on Zoom. I'll show you how to scalp the System A trades that I scalp, the System B trades that I scalp. We started this account, like you see, with $10,000. I've just been taking big System B trades for profit. And yeah, we can also meet in person. I will trade live with you in front of you in person. We'll take live trades together. I'll look at what you're doing. I'll help you out. I'll teach you everything. And you also get the software. If you see the screen, the software helps me know the market's trend, long-term, short-term. Look at all these big profits we've made. We've even been able to hedge out $1,000 loss. Okay, we've not had a lot of trades we needed to hedge, but when we did have a trade that we needed to hedge out, we were able to hedge it out. I'll teach you the live hedging also. It's what the banks use and what the hedge funds use. They don't take big losses. So far, we're up over 50% on this account. Let's see if this trade gets up to 60 to 70%. Like I said, we can also meet in person. And I'll trade live with you. You also get the software free. The software will show you where to hedge. If you look at the screen, it also shows you where to hedge, but only if you're a student, you know what it means. It shows you the System B trades, where to set your take profits, the market direction, long-term, short-term, if it's buy, if it's bearish, if it's bullish, if it's bearish, it's going to tell you. And let's see how this trade plays out. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to join the World Program, you can be making $3 to $170 a day passively. And once you join inside the group, there are also ways explained on how to get $35 to $15,000 weekly passively without even investing anything. You can start with as small as $90. It's better to start now. The earlier you start, the better. Okay, because that's how fast you generate your investment back. That's how fast you get closer to making profits. And we withdraw every week. You can withdraw any day. In the group, when I make withdrawals, I tell people also make withdrawals also. It's your choice if you want, or you can just let it pile up so that you can have a bigger withdrawal. You can withdraw once a week or whenever, any day you want. If you make profit today, you can withdraw today also, however you choose. Anyways, we'll be right back. If you have any question, put that in the comment section. If you want free signals for 3 months to 12 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in description also. And yeah, make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members before the end of 2024. I'm sure we'll get to 10,000 members in, let's say, 2 months, 2 to 3 months maximum. And let's see how this plays out. We'll be right back soon. Like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, we're getting closer and closer to hitting that take profit. I'm not able to record take profits for you guys because I usually go away and come back. But as I came back on the screen, we're getting closer and closer to take profit. Closer. Almost at take profits. Should I close it? Boom! Easy take profits. Let's go. $1,170 profits live in front of you. So if you were a student, you would have taken this live trade together. Market is going to drop. I'm probably going to look for a buy next, or I'll wait for an entry, or I'll wait till tomorrow to see what the market has for us. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells, and when you click the notification bells, click them on, okay, and click all, so that when I upload shorts, I go live. Like I said, on Mondays and Tuesdays, I usually go live. Mondays or Tuesdays, I go live during New York session. I haven't done that in a while, but when I start, you want to stay alert. I give live signal analysis. Like I said, if you want 3 months to 12 months free signals, message me trial in the Telegram link in the description below, and I'll give you direction how. In the Telegram group, I post daily signals and analysis. And yeah, if you want to join the passive income program, message me Wealth on Telegram, where you can be making $3 to $170 within 5 to 30 minutes, either on your phone or your PC, very easily every single day. With that being said, we'll be right back when we have another trade in the markets. This trade took a long time, but this is NFP week. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead and stay safe. And remember, if you want to stop using stop loss and wiping out your account every time you have a losing trade, instead of just ending in break even, so that, for example, if you have 5 trades on your account and you lose 4, and each trade gave you $20 loss, and you had a $100 account, you would have lost $80, and maybe you won only 1 trade. What do you have left in your account? You only have $40 left, or maybe even less. And if you were hedging, you would have lost nothing, because you make profit to cover your loss by doing it the right way. It's not by buying with 1, selling with 2, buying with 4, selling with... No, that's rubbish to blow your account. Doing it the proper way without over leveraging your account and learning how to do it right. It's taught at hedgingmastermind.com, and you get the software that helps you do it right. And for example, you lose 4 trades on your $100 account, you hedge it out and you make $20 profit. And yeah, you close with $40. If you use stop loss, you actually be in $20 loss. That's just how it is. So, and you'd have blown your account if you are using stop loss. So, like, share, and subscribe. Use hedging as an exit strategy. It's what has been my secret weapon for scalping, because I can lose as many trades as I want and close at break even, and all my profits will just keep stacking. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. We'll be right back soon.